In this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn ChatGPT output into a professional presentation using Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I have my presentation plan ready here in ChatGPT. I'm going to scroll through to check the content, then I'll copy the entire output using the copy button at the bottom. Now, I'll head over to Gamma.app and click on Create New AI, then select Paste in Text. I'll make sure Presentation is selected as my format. I'll paste my text into the editor and delete any extra conversational filler from the top and bottom so the AI only uses the actual slide notes. After clicking Generate, I see a warning that my content exceeds the 10-card limit. To fix this, I'll scroll through the outline and merge related sections together using the Merge button. Once I'm back down to 10 cards, I'll set the text amount to concise and pick a professional theme like Editoria. I'll hit Generate and watch as Gamma builds the slides in real time, automatically adding layouts and images. Once the generation is finished, I can review the slides and use the tools on the right to edit the text, change the visuals, or add more cards if I want to customize the content further. And there you have it. That's the complete process of turning ChatGPT output into a Gamma AI presentation.